Okay, so I had quite a few messages coming through, and I'm just going to do some kind of free flow messages for whoever needs to hear it. Okay. The first message I got is those that are on the higher timeline, your collectives, your groups, people that resonate with you are going to start shrinking. Okay. Not necessarily following, but the people on the lower timeline are not going to be able to resonate with you as much. Okay. And so what's happening here, sorry, that's my washer. I'll pause it. Okay, so the washer is bringing like massive chaotic energy into the space. So what that looks like is the higher timeline, your frequencies are going to be accelerating, where people on the lower timeline, they're going to be decelerating. Okay, so the higher frequency ranges, if you're around people and your frequency range is really, really different than other people, those people will start having physiological issues, okay, from being in your field, okay? This isn't going to happen for very many people. Most people are pretty close, and I'd say average right now, most people are at that threshold between 4D and 5D, okay? That's what the prep school specializes in, and then stabilizing 5D, 6D, 7D energies, okay? So it's rare that you're going to be around someone with a frequency of like 1,000,000 kilohertz. Okay, somebody that is at that point, they have phase lock the diamond sun, they'll be around people, and people's nervous system, vascular system, endocrine system will struggle to just be in that field. Okay, so you're going to see that happening. You're going to see groups and people kind of falling away just pure resonance. Okay. Your frequency or your energies, your physical body could react to lower frequencies poorly, meaning you could start feeling depressed. Higher gateways could start shutting down. You could start feeling sluggish because you start taking on other people's energy to transmute. So just the subtle stuff is really important right now, paying attention to that. That came through yesterday, okay? So I'm just going to go through this and do some random messages, okay? The first message is about coming to meet. So this is some sort of temptation or energy coming in rapidly and shifting to following. Okay, so these are the messages here. A powerful presence arrives. Observe, don't absorb. So when things come into your field quickly, this kind of goes into what I was just discussing. Don't take it in. Observe energies. Things could come in quickly to your field, to your energy, to your consciousness. Make sure you know what they are before you engage with them. This frequency that is coming in may seem attractive, but you need to test it first, okay? Beauty can mask distortion. Just because something looks good on the appearance-wise, externally, does not mean it's healthy for your field or your future, okay? You have to pay attention to that. It's temptation for a reason, okay? Step away early if it disturbs your clarity. So see your clarity. Are you able to perceive your entire life, your priorities with this energy, or are you not? If you aren't able to see things with clarity, then you need to not engage in that, okay? And then once you're able to discern that, there is this energy of a true ally, somebody that's truly aligned with you coming into your field, coming into your experience, okay? And this is going to be very unexpected. Make sure you let this energy guide you, not logic. So this is going to be a tricky situation for you guys that are in this. You need to make sure you're discerning and your field is clear enough to know what is healthy versus what is not. Just because something makes you feel good does not mean that is healthy, okay? Just because it takes you out of thinking about things that you're not meant to think about does not mean it's healthy, okay? I see this all the time too, by the way. So, and then the clarifier was stagnation. So it's energetic dissonance, disconnection between heaven and earth, opportunity to refine boundaries and restore inner sovereignty. So that's what this is teaching you, okay? It's an opportunity. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Okay, we're at this huge crossroad right now. You are being asked to step into your purpose. Akashic records for those on the higher path, higher timeline are aligning you with the higher path, okay? So you will be able to start reading those even if it's subconscious, okay? Those of you that shift into the 5D, the 12 stargates, the central crystal skull, that connects you specifically to the Akash, okay? The true Akash. There's a lot of distorted Akashic records out there, information people can get that are not from the higher timeline, okay? So know that there's no wrong path here, because once you move into the higher timeline, you can navigate all of these different timelines in whatever way you want, as long as you don't dip back into that distorted, closed timeline that is going to be collapsing, okay? We have abundance coming in, so downloads about how to make money, spiritual energy coming in, the frequencies of abundance are coming in, and success, okay? So regeneration and success. So that's huge there. Beetlejuice is coming through, as well as numbers. I'm seeing 9 and 6. So that's Orion Collective. Then we have this shift in time, galactic time. So this will shift once more and more people get on the higher timeline. And we're going to see this happen in, I think it was October, is where we're going to see time shift. And how this will play out, I don't know. I'll sit down and I'll do a very specific reading about how time is going to shift for the collective. But time essentially is malleable, and I'm able to sit down and stretch time or shrink time pretty much at will now. So I could turn a month into 6 months, or a week into 2 days if I need it. The problem with this is that you're just doing that for yourself. And so other people that are within your space, your reality, their time doesn't shift. They're on this exact same timeline. So you can speed up. That's how I was able to accomplish a lot more this year than most people are like, how was that even possible? I mean, I moved through so much stuff so fast. It's because I stretched time. Okay, so I was like, every day stuff was coming in. I was logging it, analyzing it, writing it, organizing it, going through it, processing things, okay, because I stretched time. So when October comes, everybody is going to be in that more, what is the word? Pliable time frame, okay? So depending on what you're doing, what you're working with, who you're around, time will shift, okay? It will not be as rigid. Right now, they're showing me it's like a rigid timescape that can crack and break, okay? Spiritual body is being activated for a lot of you guys. Once this activates, you're going to be able to tune into pure source frequencies and the 13D, 0 point field. Okay, how do you access and activate the spiritual body? Through the 0 point field of your heart. Okay, during meditation, your spiritual body is essentially 6th, 7th levels of your field. You can sit in meditation and tune into that. Okay, so if you're in 4D, the spiritual body has not activated yet, this is recommended for you guys, okay? Because that will help you get on the higher timeline. Focus on the primordial mother kilohertz 396. Okay, this is a soundscape meditation in the school. If you feel like you need work on the spiritual body or moving into the 0 point field. And then we have portals to the higher realms. This is 852 hertz. Okay, that's also something you could do in the school. Okay, let's see. Let's do these real fast. And then we have the angelic human template coming online. This is the advanced DNA purity miracle maker. Okay, so this is the trajectory for everyone on the higher timeline. Okay, it is really beautiful, really amazing. It doesn't mean it's perfect, but we are going to see huge shifts. And that's the message I got yesterday, was people's realities are going to be shifting. People are going to be dropping out of your reality. The amount of people moving on the higher timeline is way, way, way less than the lower. Okay, so you may see that as well. Okay, sending so much love. Bye.